This problem is based on synthesis of borosine and its reaction. When ammonium chloride is heated with BCl3, we get some intermediate that is treated with lithium borohydride to get compound X. Compound X is treated with 3 equivalent of water at room temperature to get compound Y. What are compounds X and Y? The given options are, first one, it is nothing but borosine. The structure of borosine, I am not sure about this compound. I have no idea what is the structure of this. Further, for compound Y, they are given these options. The simplest method to prepare borosine is heating ammonium chloride with BCl3. When you go for this, there is lone pair on nitrogen, so it acts as del minus. There is del plus on boron. You imagine it is ammonia. It will be easy for mechanism. Nitrogen lone pair displaces halogen to give this intermediate. Here it is not hydrogen. Chlorine atom is attached with boron. This halide should be replaced with hydrogen. That is done by adding lithium borohydride. So generally we add metal hydride. H minus will be added here. What I get is borosine. This is the structure of borosine. Now, the double bond in this can undergo addition reaction. In benzene, there is no possibility for addition reaction. But in borosine, this double bond will undergo addition reaction. The question is, when I add water, H plus OH minus, which part will be added to boron and which one will be added to nitrogen? It's very simple. In this, nitrogen as del minus, boron as del plus. Because of the lone pair, we have minus. Boron, it is electron deficient, so there is del plus. So you add OH minus here, H plus here. That will be the product. So this will be the product. But so far I have never come across the addition of water to borosine. You can add HCl. But so far I have never come across the addition of water to borosine. Based on the given options, I predict this. I am not sure the feasibility of this reaction. Based on the given option, this only is possible.